Actually, bilang isa sa mga pinakamalaking division office sa Metro Manila, sa NCR, we have our cases, no, of bullying, mental health problems, no, gang wars, teenage pregnancy cases, ang vision ng DepEd, no, to provide quality education for all our learners. Hindi mangyayari yung pagtaas ng mga learning outcomes ng achievement kung meron silang mga problema sa school or kahit sa bahay nila. And with peace education, when we attended the peace camp in Davao, we appreciate it very much dahil makikita natin na kung magsisimula sa bata, no, yung peace, no, pati sa school, sa teachers, ang laking tulong para maiwasan itong mga suliranin na ito na nakikita natin sa mga schools, not just in Quezon City, but in the different parts of the Philippines as well. So, dapat lagi nagsisimula from within. So, maganda yung module natin, no, na peace with self, no, peace with the environment. So, napakalawak nung sakap nitong peace education natin. So, kasama kong umattend doon si Dr. Leonilo C. Angeles, no, one of our public schools district supervisor. We proposed a project, no, advocating peace education sa ating mga teachers. And then we have submitted a proposal for 2026 sa ating local government unit to capacitate other teachers from the different learning areas as well. Kasi naniniwala kami na yung peace ed hindi lang pang values education, from pang-aralin panlipunan, kundi pang lahat ng learning area. So, we would like to promote peace education as early as kindergarten para lumaki sila na peaceful, na lumaking peaceful yung ating government. Maganda ang unang i-train natin yung mga leaders natin. Ating mga school heads, yung ating mga principals. So, kung sila mismo believer ng peace education, sila mismo yung gagawa ng paraan to promote peace education. Sila yung una nating bigyan, no, ng orientation, ng training, ng explanation on ano yung pinapromote natin na peace education. I am Everlina D. Balenya, Education Program Supervisor from SDO Quezon City. I am an I Teach Peace champion.